It seems that burger was enjoyed, so now it's time for a sensual apple pie recipe. For the all butter crust being flaky and tender, use 2.5 cups of all purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup or 2 sticks of cold, unsalted butter cubed, 5 to 7 teaspoons of ice water. For the spiced filling, warm, juicy, and aromatic, go with 6 to 7 firm apples, a mix of Granny Smith and Honeycrisp, or even Fuji, peeled and thinly sliced, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom, exotic and sensual, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of flour or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons butter cubed, an option, splash of bourbon, brandy, or dark rum. For the brushing, 1 egg beaten with 1 tablespoon milk or cream, Demerara or turbinado sugar for sprinkling. Now for the instructions. In a large bowl, mix flour, sugar, and salt. Cut in the butter until the mixture looks like coarse crumbs. Add the ice water slowly, mixing just enough until the dough forms. Divide into 2 discs, then wrap in plastic and chill for an hour. 2. Prepare the filling. You toss the apples with sugar, spice, salt, lemon juice, vanilla, and thickener. You let it sit for 20 minutes to draw out the juices. You've got to drain it lightly if it's very wet. Stir in the alcohol if using. Add butter last, dotting it over the apples in the pie. Assembling it, roll out 1 dough disc into 12 inches round. Line a 9-inch pie plate. Pie in the filling, mounting slightly in the center. Roll out the second disc. Place it over the top or cut it into strips for a lattice. You gotta seal the edges. You gotta crimp and then steam the vents if using a full top crust. To finish the bake, you brush with an egg wash, sprinkle it with coarse sugar. Chill the pie for 20 minutes before you baking. It keeps the crust taut and sharp. You have to bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then reduce it to 350 and bake for 35 to 40 more until it's golden and bubbling. You have to let it cool for at least 2 hours for the filling to set. When you're done, serve it warm with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, or a drizzle of salted caramel.